not a part of the Creative Cloud, or perhaps you need to send a set of swatches to somebody else that's doing some design for you. Or another thing that you could do was maybe back up a swatch file in a client's folder or something like that. So I'm going to show you how to make a swatch file from scratch here in Photoshop. So here are my default swatches, and what you want to do is you need to get rid of all these guys. So I'm going to go over here to the swatch options button and go to preset manager. Once I have the preset manager up, I'm going to choose one of the swatches and then do command or control A, which is going to select all my swatches. I'm going to delete these and click done. Now I get nothing in here. This up here, these are just showing recents. So really my swatch folder is completely empty. At this point, I'm going to grab my little dropper. I'm actually already in the dropper. And for convenience, I'm going to move my swatches panel over here and choose my first color, which is this guy right here. And then I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to add this to my swatch library. This will stay up, which is awesome because I can just click this one, add to swatches, this one, add to swatches, this one, and this one. So, nope, didn't do it. So now, okay, there we go. All right, we're done. So here are my 5 little colors here, and I'm going to just go here and say, hey, save swatches. Now, I've got 2 options. If I just go to save swatches, it's going to make the swatches into a .aco file. That's for Photoshop only. So if I'm going to be sending these swatches to somebody to use in Photoshop, that's fine. That's awesome. I can just send them I can save them like that. But if I want to save these swatches to use in maybe InDesign also, and Illustrator also, and all, kind of cross-platform, instead I'm going to go here and I'm going to go save swatches for exchange. And that's going to create an ASE file. So I can, all you need, I'm going to save these just on my desktop right now, and then I'm going to hop on over to, let's say, Illustrator, and if I want to open those files over here to use, here's my swatch set that I've been working with, some hand lettering for my t-shirt, and I can go over here, let's say, and say open swatch library, other library, because these are all these all come with Illustrator, so other library, and I'm going to find my desktop. All you need, open it up, and there you go. So now I can go ahead and use those colors that I created in Photoshop, or you can send them to somebody if you need that person to be using exact colors and you don't feel like going through all of the hex codes and RGB and all that stuff.